Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to fix Facebook login error. To sort out this issue, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you have to swipe downward. If you are trying to log in Facebook from Wi-Fi, you have to turn off your Wi-Fi and you have to turn on your data and try to log in. In second step, you have to open Play Store and check your Facebook application is up to date or not. If your Facebook application is not updated, you have to update your Facebook application. Step 3. If your Facebook is already updated, try to uninstall Facebook application and install Facebook again, because sometimes Facebook application might be corrupt, so you have to uninstall your Facebook application and reinstall your Facebook application again and try to log in. The fourth step, try to log in from any browser and see your Facebook account is working or not. Maybe your Facebook account is locked. In some cases, Facebook lock the account if they found unusual activity from your Facebook account. They might lock their account, so you have to check your Facebook account from a browser if it is working or not. Now we'll try to log in from Facebook application. We'll try to log in. And here you can see we are successfully logged into our Facebook account. So in the same way, you can also fix Facebook login error and unexpected error occurred. Please try logging in again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.